Hi, my name is Juxin Chen. Today I'm going to reflect on the event process by presentation. First, I will analyze the PMBOK. Then I will explain my personal experience. Thirdly, I will evaluate skills and performance through the event. Next, I'm going to introduce the charity organization that we successfully cooperated. Fourthly, I will talk about the improvement of the event and give it measures. Lastly, I will analyze aspects that can help me to develop as an event manager. Okay, let's now turn to the first point. PMBOK is an abbreviation for Project Management Body of Knowledge. It is an internationally recognized guide to project management system. This guide provides the basis for project management and can be applied to the variety of projects. This event will be operated and managed through 5 processes: initiation, planning, executing, controlling, and closing. Their role is interlocking. Only the previous step is completed before, then can go into the next step. Among them, process covers more specific topics such as budget, finance, marketing, and risk. They can all influence and merge with each other. Finally, the project can be successfully implemented around 5 processes and topics. Now I would like to talk about my experience through this event. In my personal experience, first I conduct market research using customer decision-making process to analyze the perspective of customer. For example, people have heard about the problem of sea pollution and even support the protection of the sea. Second, considering the feasibility of the event. It mainly involves two aspects, resource and risk. Resources mainly are funds for event, and we need to find support from sponsor. In addition, the risk of event need to be assessed, such as venue safety. Third, I was assigned a marketing and social media manager position by the team members, and the entire event required teamwork to complete. In the process of planning, it is mainly divided into 3 parts: financial plan, operational plan, and marketing plan. In the financial plan, I participate in the record of the event budget. Then, in the operational plan, I participate in the prediction and assessment of the event risk and filled out the form. In addition, in the marketing plan, I plan the location, product, price, and promotion of the event. I think this work has reached expectations at the end. Last, in executing, I need to manage project communication. For example, external communication management helps to keep sponsors informed of progress. We contact many through email and message. In conduct procurements, the key is to self-control and purchase decision that is primarily required for the event. For example, buying decoration, making poster, and so on. Manage stakeholder engagement. The key to this process are to change the contract at any time according to the needs of sponsor, and even improve our student status. In addition, some team members may need to change the group discussion times due to other classes. Next, there are my personal skills and performance. In an event, we need to communicate with many people. It is not only to team members, but also includes sponsors. Communicating with people is a necessary skill when we solve problems. In the communication of team members, the effective way is to face-to-face. Therefore, we often use our spare time to discuss the preparation of the event. Then we present the idea of our event with the sponsor. He interested in our event and decided to support our funds. But we need to attack the logo and address of his restaurant. In addition, he gave us some flyers to help them promote. For rent venue, at the beginning I emailed the hub, but because of the subject was rejected, then I went to student center to ask for help. Finally, I contact the teachers of GS building. She is willing to provide a place to support our event. In addition, I learned another skill from the event, that is flexible thinking. Flexible thinking skills are indispensable because sometimes the reality will alternative with the plan. So when planning, we have to think about plan B. We encountered difficulties in seeking sponsor assistance. The reality tells us that the plan must be changed according to the actual situation, because some sponsors are not willing to provide financial support and more likely provide goods for us. But our plan is to get funds. Finally, we have to accept goods instead of funds. The venue also needs to be changed because the plan is different from the reality. The house rule is told us not possible to sell food to students. So we only have two options. The first is change the theme of the event, and the second is change the place. Finally, we decide to change venues. Now I'm going to show you the charity organization which cooperate with us. We have reached a cooperation with Greenpeace because one of the Greenpeace charity's mission is to protect the oceans and help people to protect marine animals and reduce the use of plastic. This is consistent with the ultimate goal for our event. So we contact this charity organization, and they were very supportive of our event and mailed their brochures to us, and we finally donate all the money collected by the event to Greenpeace. Okay, in the event improvement and measures, first is improve on sponsorship. They are the core of the support and founding source of the whole event. So, the event managers and sponsors should maintain a good relationship. The foundation of the good relationship between event managers and sponsors requires foremost event planning or proposal documents. If this event runs again, I will modify the event plan and contract. Because the original plan was too simple and lack of the budget for the event, then the contract should be drawn up in accordance with the law rather than follow the requirements of the sponsor. Another important part of the event improvement is the venue. Many event managers believe that the success of the event does not depend on abilities. It's the choice of venue. If I hold this event again, I will hold it in another place, because the venue we planned cannot hold our event, so we can only find a substitute venue. If I choose the venue again, I should prepare more options, such as city center, instead of only considering the scope of the school. Also, I think promotion is another aspect that we should improve. In general, the advertising budget of an event needs a lot, unless there is support from TV or radio station. Although we only held a small event, it also should be properly publicized. If the event holds again, I would send out leaflets to attract more customers. The content of the flyers will inspire customer engagement with exaggerated pictures and words, and they can also be clear and understandable. Then I need to clearly indicate the exact location and time. If I want to become an event manager, I should know the event needs to be undertaken by a professional event management team or event manager. So event managers often need a variety of skills, such as communication. In addition, there are also need for a certain knowledge base, including marketing, economics, and so on. Through this event, I learned to communicate and negotiate with a sports sponsor and event manager, and also know how to change the way when a situation opposite to the plan occurs. Moreover, the event manager could not complete all the work by himself, should be cooperate with a team. The experience of this event is rich for me, but it's not enough. There are many areas for improvement. In the future, I will correct the venue, promotion, and sponsor management methods, and learn more knowledge and experience in event management. These are my references. Thank you for your listening and watching.